Now to another top story we're following this morning. We're hearing from the police union representing Metro Police Officer Alexander Bookman after a grand jury decided not to indict him. He's a police officer who shot and killed local realtor Brandon Durham last November after Durham had called 911 for help. It's a case that's drawn widespread headlines. And our senior reporter Alyssa Bethencourt was at a press conference held by the Las Vegas Police Protective Association, which wrapped up less than an hour ago. She's joining us live now. Alyssa, what do they have to say?
Well, Anjali, this morning, the LVPPA defended Officer Alexander Bookman's actions the night that Brandon Durham was shot and killed. You'll remember Brandon Durham called 911 in November of 2024 to report an intruder inside his home. That intruder was later identified as Alejandra Boudreau, but what happened next has sparked national outrage. When officers arrived at the house last November, Durham was reportedly in a violent struggle with Boudreau involving a knife. Body cam footage obtained by Channel 13 shows Officer Bookman ordering them to drop the knife, but just 2 seconds later, Bookman fired a single shot that hit Durham in the head and then fired off several more rounds. Today, it was asked why Durham was shot and killed if he was the homeowner who called for help, and this is what David Roger, General Counsel for the Las Vegas Police Protective Association, had to say.
From Officer Bookman's perspective, he believed that Mr. Durham continued to be a threat as he fell down, and he had the knives still in his hand, and the female was right next to him. And so it was one continuous transaction.
And let me just mention, there's so much that came from this press conference that we're going to be talking about throughout the day. But again, a Clark County grand jury formally declined to indict Bookman. That decision, of course, being met with frustration from Durham's family and civil rights advocates who say justice has not been served. But today, the police union stood by the officer, saying he acted in accordance with department training. Now, the LVPPA said time and time again that this investigation is closed, at least on the criminal side. Durham's family has filed a civil lawsuit, and they tell me that the fight for justice, at least on the civil end, is far from over. Reporting live in Summerlin, I'm Alyssa Bethencourt.